Energy Mission, Pathway to Progress. Energy Mission Machinery India Private Limited, a futuristic enterprise, is in an unending pursuit of perfection. A glowing testimony of our expertise, ISO 9001-2015 certification, Outstanding Entrepreneur Award 2008-9 and 2014-15 by MSME Government of India. Total number of state-of-the-art machines installed in excess of 4,000. Substantial exports. Total area of 250,000 square feet. Workforce of 300 plus highly skilled and qualified professionals. Exhaustive product range. 1999, inception of our mission, the Energy Mission. 2 decades in the pathway to progress, we have taken giant strides, accomplishing goals aplenty. To fulfill our avowed mission, we constantly strive to acquire top-level technical talents to promote an ambitious agenda, a culture of innovation and teamwork to design and manufacture top-class products. An exhaustive product range in the sector consisting CNC press brakes, tandem CNC press brakes, hydraulic and NC press brakes, CNC, NC and hydraulic shearing machines, 4-roll and 3-roll hydromechanical and mechanical plate rollers, iron workers, bus bar machines, punching and blanking presses, deep drawing presses, CNC servo presses, etc. We manufacture in excess of 600 machines per annum, a humongous feat in the industry with world-class precision to boot. Our strength is to offer application-specific, customized solutions to various industry segments. We have delivered special solutions for automotive, rail, infrastructure, and pre-engineering building manufacturers. Absolute customer satisfaction has been our constant endeavor. Infrastructure. Energy Mission has an extensive infrastructure consisting state-of-the-art facilities to produce high-quality machines and components. Machine shop consisting of floor boring machines, CNC milling and horizontal boring machines, CNC turning machines, CNC plano milling and many more. Assembly shop, fabrication and testing shops, quality control section, market presence. To serve our clients better, we have established nationwide sales and service centers. We routinely participate in numerous national and international seminars and expositions to apprise our prospective customers of our product range and salient features thereof. Customers. We are proud to have served major government, public and private giants. Many major brands and clients like ISRO, PRL, Indian Railways, BHEL, BEML, HMTI, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, BrahMos, Indian Naval Dockyard, KSRTC, Khadi Industries Board, Tata, Aditya Birla Group, Mahindra, Bajaj, L&T, JSW, Crumpton, Toyota Kirloskar, Elecon, Hitachi, Philips, RSB Transmissions Limited, Everest Industries Limited, KEC International, Syntex, Wheels India, TBEA, etc. Countless major brands have reposed faith in us, and needless to add, we have continuously surpassed their expectations. Special installations. We have successfully installed CNC press brakes up to 700-ton capacity with a length of up to 6 meters. Tandem CNC press brakes up to 800-ton capacity and length up to 12 meters. CNC shearing machines up to 25 mm cutting capacity with a length up to 8 meters and many more such. We aspire to make continuous efforts and contribute to energize the nation.